guys. Yes, happy Monday. Happy Monday. Amanda is back with another live video. Yes, boom. I am so excited to share this information with you guys. For those that don't know, Amanda coming back to you with direct mail. Passive Profits hit $100,000 in commissions in 3 weeks. And I'm extremely excited today because, listen, I've never seen a postcard program grow that fast. And what we're going to do tomorrow during our webinar is discuss why this happened. Why this happened. We're going to cover that. So I want everybody to make sure that they are a part of the webinar tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You want to register and get in early. It's going to be a full house because the numbers are extremely, it's a blessing. A lot of people are earning a ton of money, member-to-member payments. But the one thing that a lot of people don't understand about direct mail, we are going to discuss that tomorrow during the webinar. How did a company that's brand new hit $100,000 in 3 weeks? How is that possible? How does that happen? Okay, so we're going to go over that tomorrow. Guys, the information will be in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If you are watching this now on Facebook, I am going to put it in the comment section as soon as I'm done with this Facebook Live. So, direct mail, I've been doing postcard programs since 2016. I have not seen anything happen quite like this. I'm kind of understanding now as I'm going through the process of working with Passive Profits why it's happening. And it's just exciting because there's a lot of people who have never made a dime with online that is now earning with direct mail. And that is that's a blessing. That's a blessing because now 2020 people have something to look forward to. They have additional income to look forward to. A lot of people are now actually being able to say, I can see myself quitting my job in the next 6 months. And that's what we want. That is a blessing for a lot of people. And we're going to make that possible with Passive Profits. So again, it's a postcard program opportunity. There's different levels for people to come in. There's a little bit of something for everyone. They have great bonuses with this opportunity. And I have been working this program for 3 months. And I'm not going to even give you guys my numbers because a lot of you guys wouldn't believe me if I even told you what was made. It just seems so far-fetched that I'm not going to even share that information. But as a company, as a whole, okay, we have made $100,000 in sales, guys, in 3 weeks. Let me show you one more time. $100,000. Listen, it's blowing my mind, okay? But I'm just excited to see what's to come. I'm excited about this opportunity. I'm excited for all of the people that are coming through, that are calling on a daily basis, looking to speak to someone to get started. That's extremely humbling, and it's a blessing, and it's going to help a lot of people, okay? But back to tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We are going to talk about how you can get a piece of the pie and why the movement is happening so fast and why people who are newbies who have never earned before are actually making sales. We're going to discuss that tomorrow. So you want to make sure that you look in the comment section after this live and get the registration link for tomorrow, okay? So what I want to do is for those who are tuning in now, if you can just tell me where you're tuning in from. If you are watching this later on in the evening or tomorrow, hashtag replay for me. I just want to see how many people are actually tuning in. But I am extremely excited. Again, it's so funny. I got on my my gym shirt from earlier. Yep, guys, I'm back in the gym trying to take off some of this vacation weight that I put on. Slowly going away, slowly, a little at a time. But what I wanted to tell everybody, what I learned with working out and with the gym, is the same thing like online. Consistency pays off. When you are consistent, you will see results, but you have to be consistent. So I am down 8 pounds. I'm happy. It may not be a lot to a lot of people out there that's losing hundreds of pounds, but it's enough for me to keep moving forward, to keep pushing forward, and to stay focused. And that's the same thing that I'm doing with my business. That's why I'm able to earn consistently, work from the comfort of my home, and teach others how to do the same. I am so excited about this opportunity, guys. And I am just feeling like, man, it couldn't have came at a better time. You know, it's just like postcard programs, they've been around. There's a lot of them that's out there, but what I feel it's missing, this program has, and that's what we're going to also discuss tomorrow. So you want to tune in. Hey, Alexandra. Hey, Sonia. Everybody, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Shanae. Hey, Laura. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Twilla. Hey, Iris. Anthony. Anissa, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Mary. Hey, Mary Jo. Hey, Sharon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Alicia from Montgomery. Hey, Zach. What's going on? Sonia from Atlanta, thanks so much for tuning in. So I just want to, basically, I'm going to keep it short because Mondays is very busy for me. I got to go and prep some dinner for the children that just came home from school. But I just wanted to bring this live video to you guys to just let you guys know what's going on. And not only that, let you guys know that tomorrow is the webinar, 5:30. So as soon as you get out of work or wherever you're going to be at, you need to tune into this webinar and get the information. And not only that, see how this company has hit 100 grand in 3 weeks and how it's going to just keep moving forward. We actually had a really busy day today with phone calls. It's not slowing down. I know you guys see me every single week saying the same thing. It's not going anywhere. Since 2016, direct mail has been rocking and rolling, and people are literally getting paid consistently using direct mail. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. I did not go to school for this. This is one of those things that just fell in my lap, and it was the right thing at the right time. And even though I had failed in so many programs before I started direct mail, I was just excited about it because it was something different. It was like a breath of fresh air, and that's what I'm happy about. So again, guys, make sure that, hey, Jenny from Washington, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Yolanda. So I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure that you get in on the webinar tomorrow. And if you have any questions, you want to chat with me about this opportunity, please inbox me. But if you want to just get on the webinar and find out what's going on, you can do that as well. There's no pressure. It's just something I'm excited about. And not just for myself, but for all of the people who have joined that are earning their first commissions. Not only that, we had a gentleman that started and already had 2 payouts within 2 weeks that equaled up to over $300. That's exciting in itself. So we're going to just keep moving forward, and we're going to keep sharing the information, inspiring people to start a direct mail opportunity. Passive Profits is on a roll, and we're not slowing down. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'm not going to keep you long tonight. Hope to see you at the webinar tomorrow. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.